Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a portrait picture on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the camera app. Next, in here at the bottom you want to swipe across and select portrait. Then point your camera at the subject. Now it said that it is best if you stay within 3 to 5 feet of the subject. So here, point your camera at the subject. So you want to point your camera at the subject. When you are taking a portrait picture, so here I'm going to point the camera at the subject and then tap on the shoot button. Now it is best, again, if you are a bit further away from the subject. I'm very close to the subject at the moment. When you're taking a portrait picture, it tends to focus on the subject and blur the background. So here is one example of the picture that I have taken. You can see here it focuses on the subject but blurs the background. So that is portrait mode. And in here, if you tap on this circle button, you can choose blur, studio, high key mono, low key mono, backdrop, and you can choose a color point. And that's it. At the bottom here are the effect strength, so you can tap on the effects button to apply blur effects. And that's it. That is how you can take a portrait picture on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.